Hello friends, welcome to Smiley Videos. Today we are going to learn LKG paper, math subject annual exam paper. Okay, so here this is containing 100 marks in 3 hours time. Okay, so first you should write your name there, and here is roll number. You should write your roll number there. So let's begin first with first Roman. There is write in figure from 60 to 100 numbers. They ask you to write 60 to 100 numbers in these boxes, like 60 to 100 up to here. Okay, like we are going to learn 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, etc., etc. Okay, next Roman, second Roman. Write in words. They have given numbers, you should write the spellings. Okay, so suppose they have given 1. Yes, they have given 1. You should write ONE 1. Okay, 5 equals FIVE 5. 9 NINA 9. 11 ELEVEN 11, etc. Okay, they have given again 15. Okay, 15, 20, 25, 30, 38, 40. They have given, you should write this. Okay, next Roman. Write in the right order. They ask to write. They have given some options also here. 1 to 20 numbers they have given like options. So they have given A B C D E. Okay, for that questions you should write answers in correct order. Suppose they have given 2 1 3 4. You should write 1 2 3 4. Okay, like that. Next, 8 6 5 7. 5 6 7 8. Next, 13 11 12 10. 10 11 12 13. Okay, etc. You can write. Okay, next Roman. Okay, okay. So next Roman, fourth Roman. Write the number that can be just before. They ask to write just before, means a number they have given 5 dash 5. You should write before 5. They have given 1 to 20 options. That is somewhat difficult for LKG students. Okay, so they have given options. Okay, so dash 5. In the options you can see there is 5. 5 before which number? So 4. So the answer is 4. Dash 12 11. Dash 17. Yes, 17. Yes, here 16. Next, dash 10. Here 9. Dash 20. Last one 19. Okay, here. Next one. Write the number that comes just after. This is very easy for LKG students also. So after, so it was somewhat easy, no? So that they have not given options. Okay, so they have given 10 dash after 10 it is 11. Okay, 25 after 26. 30 after 31, etc., etc. Okay, next Roman. Write the number that comes just before. We have completed now. So next Roman is addition. Means addition, subtraction. You know that? Yes, you know. Now only you are going to learn this lessons. Minus. So 8 plus 3 means you should count 8 after 3 times. Finger count. You should do finger count. 8 after 9, 10, 11. So 11. 5 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay, I'll explain in the next video how to subtract less and minus. Okay, so I'm supposed to write only answers now. Okay, so 8 plus 3, 11. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 7 plus 3, 10. 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, etc, etc. Next, subtraction also I'll say after. Means 5 minus 4. You should cut off 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we get 1 is the answer. Next, I'll explain in the next video this also. So I'm directly writing that 5 minus 4, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. Okay. 9 minus 7, 2. Next also they have given, you can see. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, next one. Yeah, yes. Write the most replied number. So they have given some 4, 5, 6, 5, 8, 5. So repeated number you should write. 3 times repeated number means that you should write, not 2 or 1 time repeated number. Okay, so 3 times repeated number is there means you should write under there in the box. Okay, here you should write. Okay, so they have given 4, 5, 6, 5, 8, 5. So 5 came 3 times. So the answer is 5. Here 9. Here 20. Okay, 20. Here 39. Here 52. So these are the answers. At last they have given only 2 times. Okay, 2 times also. Okay, these are the answers for that. Okay, so for the first one 5 is the answer, so next 9 is the answer, next 20 is the answer, next etc, etc. Okay. Next Roman, last and final Roman. Draw the numbers shape numbers. Okay, they have to draw it. They have given like this square, square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Okay, you don't know, but in the first second classes you will know about rectangle, triangle, square, circle. Okay, so they have given square. If there is 4 equal sides, then we will call it is a square. Okay, if two sides are if two sides are equal, these two sides are equal, these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal, these two sides are equal. Okay, that we call as rectangle. Circle, you know that it is will be in round shape. Okay, oval means it will be in egg shape. If circle is in the ball shape. Okay, in the ball shape that we call circle, in the egg shape that we call circle, oval. Okay, and triangle kind. Okay, they have asked to write 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3, squares, 4 and 6 circles you should write, etc, etc, etc. You can write. So So this is our exam paper for LKG students. Okay, for LKG students, maths exam paper, annual exam paper for 100 marks in 3 hours. Okay, so thank you everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.